In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell products on your Wix website step by step. First, let's start by heading over to wix.com and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard and select the option to edit your site. This will open the website where you want to set up your store. Now, it's crucial that your site has the Wix Stores app installed, as this is necessary for selling physical products. If it's not already set up, go ahead and add the Wix Stores app from the Wix App Market. Once that's ready, you'll need to access the store pages in the left-hand menu of your editor. Click on the product page to manage your products. Next, head to Manage Products by going to your dashboard, then selecting Store Products, and clicking on the plus New Product button. Choose the option for a physical product, as this will guide you through adding physical items to your store. Setting up inventory is a key step. Ensure that stock tracking is enabled to prevent overselling. Enter the quantity available for each product so customers know what's in stock. Once inventory is managed, move on to shipping. Go into settings and then shipping and delivery. Here, you can set up shipping regions, define rates, and choose delivery methods. Optionally, you might want to offer incentives like free shipping or flat rate shipping to attract more customers. Payment methods are next. In your dashboard, navigate to settings, then accept payments. Here you'll enable various payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or allow credit and debit card transactions. It's wise to test the checkout process to make sure everything is functioning smoothly for your customers. After configuring shipping and payment options, it's time to publish your product. Ensure that your product is visible on your store page. Customize the Add to Cart button along with the layout and styling so it fits seamlessly with your site's design. Before going live, preview everything to ensure it's perfect. As orders come in, you will receive notifications in your Wix dashboard. Be proactive in preparing products for shipping, updating order statuses, and providing tracking information when available. Monitoring inventory and sales is the final ongoing task. Regularly track stock levels to avoid inventory issues and take advantage of Wix Analytics to assess which products are performing best. Pay attention to customer feedback for ongoing improvements. For enhanced success, consider offering high-quality images, clear descriptions, multiple payment options, and realistic shipping times. Establish clear return and refund policies and think of providing discounts or bundles to entice more customers. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully selling products on your Wix website. Good luck and happy selling.